Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear learners, welcome to you, especially all English learners of the world. This lecture is presented by MD Shamsul Haq, lecturer, Department of English. Today's topic is on correction of wrong sentences, अर्थात incorrect sentence के grammar भित्तिते আমরা correct करबो. So let's proceed on. Before that, I want to advise you that in order to be a confirm and correct English speaker, reader and writer, you must learn more to avoid common mistakes. For this, there are many books in the market about common mistakes. In order to know grammatical rules, you will have to read all these kinds of books and grammatical terms. So my learners, we will discuss in this class 10 wrong sentences and its correction. Number 1, incorrect sentence. Recently Miss Saheli does a lot of words. We know that recently, just now, such kind of words especially brings present perfect tense, but here the sentence is in present indefinite, so we can see the answer of this incorrect sentence. And correct sentence: recently Miss Saheli has done a lot of work. Has done, present perfect tense. It has been because of recently adverb. So if we get any adverb in a sentence, recently, just now, we generally use present perfect tense. In second example, incorrect sentence: no sooner did he pass exam, he went to America. We know that after no sooner brings the had auxiliary verb and the sentence will be past perfect tense, and in conjunction will come here then before the subordinate clause. So it is totally wrong sentence. Correct sentence will be: no sooner had she passed exam then she went to America. We can observe the example 3. Lazy people are always fond of tell lies. We know that fond of is a preposition. After preposition, especially verb becomes ing added or present participle. So it's a wrong sentence. Correct sentence will be: lazy people are always fond of telling lies. This is telling, but in wrong tell. Fond of, after fond of, present participle, but here present form. In example 4, in correct sentence: there is some innocent girl in that orphanage. There is some innocent girl. Some, after some is a plural determiner, so noun will be plural. This is wrong. Here will be girls. And in introductory sentence, there is an introductory sentence. In introductory sentence, subject comes after verb. Some innocent girls is subject, so this singular verb will be plural verb. So is will change into are. We can see the answer. There are some innocent girls. Here is are and girls become plural. So it is very easy to understand. We will have to memorize that there is an introductory there. So introductory there এর পরে ভার্ব আসে, ভার্বের পরে আসে সাবজেক্ট. সাবজেক্ট প্লুরাল হলে ভার্ব হয় প্লুরাল, সাবজেক্ট সিঙ্গুলার হলে ভার্ব হয় সিঙ্গুলার. As there is some innocent girls is plural, so are is correct here. In example 5, correct sentence: let not the door shut before 12. Let is an imperative mode. So the sentence should be in active. Do not shut the door before 12. It should be do not shut the door before 12. As let come here, so this sentence will be appropriate if we use here the passive sentence. So we can see that let not the door be shut before 12. Let not the door be shut. B and B3 and before let. So it's a passive. This is correct sentence and this is incorrect sentence. In example 6, she would rather knock at the door to open it. We know that would rather is the modal auxiliaries. After modal auxiliaries, verbs or pencil verb always present form, but here is past form. So this will be present form. So we see the answer of the correct sentence. She would rather knock at the door. She would rather knock. K-N-O-C-K. Knock is a present form. Knocked was past form. So this is correct. In example 7, in correct sentence, Hassan was one of the best boy in his class. We know that after one of the noun is always plural. After one of the pore noun plural hai. Here is singular. So it will be plural. We can see the correct answer. Hassan was one of the best boys. Here boys is plural, but boy is singular. So this is correct. In example 8, correct sentence. In correct sentence, cattle grazes in the field. Cattle means a lot of cows. So it is plural. Cattle actually it's a plural noun. But here verb indicates the singular. So grazes will be grass. So it's very easy answer. Correct answer. Cattle graze. Cattle plural, so it will be yes or yes will not be in the principal verb in simple present tense. Actually, we will have to keep in mind that cattle is a plural noun. In example 9, scissors is used in hair cropping. Scissors is used in here. Scissors means কাঁচি. চুল কাটার কাজে কাঁচি ব্যবহৃত হয়. So this kind of two-parted noun, scissors, trousers, especially it is used singular or plural both. It depends on the indication of the determiner or some other things. So we can see the example. Correct sentence, scissors is used. Here scissor is one part, one piece of scissors. But we can use plural also. We can see another example. These scissors are used. These is a plural determiner, so scissors here is plural. Not one part, a lot of parts, more than 2 or 3 or 5 or more. So are is here appropriate and is here appropriate. Now we are in the last example, example 10. In correct sentence, the bunch of keys belong to Mr. Masood. Bunch of keys, চাবির ছড়া, একটা চাবির ছড়াতে অনেকগুলো চাবি থাকে. But bunch is one total. So it is a singular subject of keys is a prepositional phrase. So belong will be belongs as the subject is singular. So we can see the correct answer. The bunch of keys belongs as here proves that subject is singular. So my dear learners, see you again in next lesson. This is enough for today. Thanks to all.